Okay, children. Today we have to learn the Brahmanjali. I am going to show the dance. Please watch. Okay, children. This is the one of the famous item of the Kuchipudi. It is called Brahmanjali, Ananda Bhairavi Ragam, Talam set with Adital. And it's with Ragamalik also. And in this you have to learn. I am going to teach very slowly now. First of all, entrance of the stage. How to entrance of the stage? After that, you have to pray to the Lord Nataraj. And you have to do some puja. After this, you have to start with the sloka. And sloka is that? Angikam Bhuvanam Yashva Vachikam Sarvavangmayam Aharyam Chandra Taradhi Tam na, na. This is the first shloka. After that, jati is going to start. What is the jati? Dhiginangutakatahatakitatakathit talangudit talangutam Tariginangutakatakatariginangutam Dhiginangutakatakatakathit talangutakatam Kridagadam Tariginangutakatakatakatak Tariginangutakatam Kridagadam Dhiginangutakatam Tadiginata Tariginangutakatam Tadiginata Dhiginangutaka Kenakutaka Tariginangutaka Kenakutaka Dhiginangutaka Tariginangutaka Kridagadam. You have to learn today the sloka and the jati. Jati means bowls. Okay. Now I am going to start for you the entrance of the step on the stage. It is called Dhitta Dhin Tataka. Dhin Tataka Dhitta Dhin Tataka. Dhin Tataka. It is very easy. Taka Dhimi Taka Janu Taka Dhimi Taka Janu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taka Dhimi Taka Janu means Chaturshram. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to learn. You have to look at my leg. You already learned this step in 6th standard. I already taught the step for you. Watch this. This is the step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know this step. Taka Dhimi Taka Jan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have to start with the step again. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, 1, 2. Again I am going to teach this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Now you have to catch starting step one plate. In the plate all the flowers, fruits, everything is there. When you are going to the temple, you are catching this plate and one kamandalam. It is the water of full of this water of one brass tumbler. It is called Mrugasisha. You have to take Mrugasisha and touch it together. Here the pataka hand lift up and left hand up and right hand should be down, elbow should be up. Now what the step you have to do, I am going to start with this step in the back. Okay, first starting Dhit Tang Gidadam Tadit Tang Gidadam Dhit Tang Gidadam Taka Dhimi Tak Janu Taka Dhimi Taka Janu Taka Dhimi Taka Jan Taka Dhimi Taka Jan Taka Dhimi Taka Jan Taka Dhimi Taka Jan Taka Dhimi Taka Jan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, then what you have to do? On your toes, you have to come and hold your left leg and you have to sit down. And after that, put your hand, this plate should be down and this water also. And you have to pray to the God. Okay, I am going to do this one again also for you. Okay. Watch the step again. See, look at down everybody. Taka Dhimi, Taka Janu. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhit ta dhim ta taka. Dhim ta taka. Dhim ta dhim. Dhim ta dhim tadan. Dhanat janu. Dhanat janu. 4 beats. Taka Dhimi, Taka Janu. Watch the step again. 1 beat. 2, 3 back. 4 front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this movement you have to do along with the body movement. Whenever you are starting with the right hand, right leg, put your hand and body movement right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And along with the body movement, leg movement, hand movement. You have to do this one. Raise up your left hand up. You are catching on your hand the plate and here water tumbler. This is the Mrugasisha. Touches together like this. Put it down, elbow up. Watch the movement, body movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the same moment, you have to move your neck and look at this right side audience and look at this left side audience and smile. Okay, you have to enter of the stage. You have to make one full circle on the dais and make it one full circle, and in the center you have to come front. Again I am going to show this movement. Please watch it. I am going to do from the beginning up to here, right? Ready? Dit tangradaga dargradadum. Tadi tangradaga dargradadum. Dit tangradaga dargradadum. Danata jan. Danata janu dargradaga. Dim ta dim. Dim ta dim. Dit ta dim ta taka. Dim ta taka dargradaga. Dim ta dim. Dim ta dim. Dadan. Danata jan. Danata janu. Dit ta dim ta taka. Dim ta taka dargradaga. Dim ta dim. Dim ta dim. Dit ta dim ta taka. Dim ta taka. Then on your toes, then you have to fold your left leg up, then you have to stretch your leg and you have to sit down and put it your plate down, and this water tumbler also put it down. Then what you have to do? Then put the pranam. First of all you have to do the pranam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You did the pranam. After that what you have to do? Bend down and sit down and take the flowers. Then Om Namah Shivaya. Om. 1, 2. Touch your eyes and raise up your hand and throw the flower on the Nataraj leg. Throw it. Again, take 1, 3 times Om Namah Shivaya will come. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, third time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Over. 3 times Om Namah Shivaya. Then again what you have to do? After that take one flower and touch your first your left eye, then right eye, then take it and keep it back side of the, the ring, full ring, and you are putting the flowers here. Orange flower, white flower. In that you have to put that one flower here. Then again do pranam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it? Again I am telling from here. You are bringing front here, catching with this plate full of flowers and water. See the mudra and like this. Watch the mudra like this. And catch it like this. Then then fold your left leg and everybody you have to sit down. Then put your plate down and water down. Then you have to pray to the God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then slowly you have to take some flowers like this Om Namah Shivaya. How many times? Om Namah Shivaya, 3 times it will come. 1. Om Namah Shivaya. 1. Again. Om Namah Shivaya. Third time, high pitch. Om Namah Shivaya. 3 times over. Now we have to take that Harati. Harati, and you have to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times you have to do the Harati. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the Kapita and Kataka Mukha. This is the Harati symbol. You got it? Put your hand, left hand. You have to touch your right elbow. Then take the Harati. You have to shake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then put it down and take one flower and touch your left hand eye and right hand eye and keep it backside your ring, full ring, and your orange flower, white flowers are there. Backside you have to put. Then again do pranam 1, 2, 3, 4 pranam. Right? One full. अभी और एक टेक लेंगे. Okay, children. After that, we have to start the sloka. How that one? Angikam bhuvanam yasya. Angikam. You have to show your full body. Your body ornament means kantahar, vardhanam, earrings and nose ring, ear this, headset, everything. It is called Angikam. Along with the gungrus, Angikam means raise up your Kataka Mukha, put your hands up and right to down. Show your body movement to the audience. How? Again, Angikam means put your Kataka Mukha, 2 hands. You know the starting step of the dance. Put your hands and raise up your hands, and only right leg. You have to start with your right leg. Angikam means right leg up, 1, 2, 3, right. Then left. Then right, then left, then bend and take the movement Angikam. Again, how Angika means you have to show your full body. The top of head, headset, and your nose ring, earrings, necklace, vadalam, and gungrus, whole your costume, Angikam. And you have to put your Kataka Mukha. These two Kataka Mukhas you have to use. And like this. And you have to 4 steps. How many steps are there? 4 steps. You have to use 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. First step right side, left side, then again right, then again left. Then you have to bring your hand straightly, come here and take the Arala position and left hand like this and like this. Okay, now I am going to show the movement. 1. See the movement? Right, 1 full body movement, 2 hand little bit down, 3 and 4, and take this hand and look at the hand, hand to audience and move your neck to the audience and smile. Angikam. And Bhuvanam. Bhuvanam means you have to show the world. World, how this one? Left to full straight, take the Pataka hand, Bhuvanam. And here, put your left hand like this, right leg, cross your like Lord Sri Krishna, and Yashya, Alapadma, Bhuvanam, Yashya, and Sri Krishna Chakra like this, Yashya. Got it? Again, Bhuvanam, Yashya, you have to show the world like this. Bhuvanam, and right leg, cross, left hand down, like this Dola Hasta, and here Alapadma, Alapadma like this, Alapadma and Suchi, Yashya. And also Vachikam, you are telling, you are saying some words. Vachikam, Vachikam, Vachikam. Like this, you have to say Vachikam. Sarva Vangmayam, Sarvam. You are Sarvam. In the world, wherever you can go, you are there. Okay, Sarva Vangmayam. 1, 2, 3. See this, only one turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write some script. Take the Shikara hand. Vangmayam. Again, look at this. Vangmayam. Cross. You have to show this Pataka to the audience. Take the Shikara hand. Sarva Vangmayam. Then Aharyam. Aharyam means raise up your hand and show again your body movement. Aharyam. Then Chandra. You know the Ardha Chandra? Chandra. Chandra. Put your right hand, Dola Hasta. Put your this one. Then raise up your right leg should go up. Chandra. Then again Taraditam. All the stars. All the stars in the sky. Tara means Alapadma. Put your hands and here Dola Hasta. Bend down and Taradhitam. Taradhi. Raise up your left leg up. Then put your hands. Vande, Vande, 1, 2, Vande. Then raise up, Sa, Trikam, raise up your hand, then Shivam. You know the Shivalinga position, Shivam. Then take one full round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, catch some flowers and look at the audience, neck movement, look at the hand to Audience, neck movement, and same left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 2 times. Right side 1 round and left side 1 round. Then Shivam. Shivam, you know, Shiva means Lord Shiva position you have to take. Bend down and pull round, pull round, pull round, pull round, and put your hands and raise up your leg like a Nataraj. Shivam.